multi-ingredient dough that takes only 5 minutes to mix together can be a healthy addition to your diet. Add water, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and honey, whisk together in a separate bowl. Add the mixture to the all-purpose flour and use a spatula to stir the two together. Drizzle olive oil and slick the surface of the dough with olive oil. Then cover the bowl with foil or a cloth. Leave the bowl in the fridge immediately to rise for 12 to 18 hours. Remove from the fridge and take off the cover. Deflate the dough and transfer it to a prepared pan. Don't touch the dough again for 2 to 4 hours, depending on your environment. Employ a simple shaping technique. Use your fingertips for dimpling. After 2 to 4 hours, or when the dough looks like this, employ a simple shaping technique. Use your fingertips for dimpling. Add toppings like tomato, rosemary, and garlic confit. Transfer to the oven immediately and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, or until golden all around. You're good to go. Enjoy your delicious homemade focaccia.